Today we'll learn how to find out the inverse of a matrix. In last video we have done elementary transformation method for finding out the inverse. Today we'll learn another method. For that we need adjoint, minor, cofactors. Okay, so first of all we'll learn how to find out the adjoint, what is adjoint, how to find out minors, how to find out cofactors. Okay, and what are minors and what are cofactors. Okay, so we'll take one example. A is the given matrix, and by using this matrix we'll learn how to find out the minors, cofactors, adjoint. Okay, so first of all we'll write A11. What is A11? 2. Okay, A12, that is 4. A21 and A22. Okay, these are the 4 elements given here. So A21 क्या है? That is 1 minus 1 and 22 is 7. Okay, so ये हुआ हमारा given elements. Okay, now we have to find out the minors. So we'll denote by M11, M12, M21 and M22. ठीक है, so minors क्या होते हैं? When M11 मतलब when we'll just take this number is M11, so this row and this column we'll leave this, so what is left, that will be minor. So in case of this is 2 by 2, so only one element will be there. Okay, or in case of 3 by 3 रहेगा ना, so in that case when we are just removing that row and that column, so we'll get 2 by 2 का एक determinant and we will find out the value of that determinant. We'll see further. Just try to understand here what is minor. So minor, there will be a matrix of minor. So M11, M12, M21, M22. Okay, so minor for M11, minor M11 मतलब कि minor for the element A11. Okay, so 2 के लिए जो this element M11 के लिए क्या होगा? Minor M11 will be this row. This is A11 ना, so this row and this column को छोड़ के what is left, that is 7. We'll write 7. 7 is the minor of मतलब M11 is 7. M12 मतलब second element, that is A12 के लिए minor क्या होगा? What will be the minor? M12 का value just will this is 4 ना, 1 2 मतलब first row and second column, so we'll leave first row, we'll leave second column, so what is left? Minus 1. Okay, similarly M21 minor for this one, this row and this column just we'll leave this, what is left? 4. And M22 मतलब for this one, so we'll leave this row and this column, so what is left behind? That is 2. So 2 will be the minor. Okay, now we have to find out cofactor. So cofactor को हम C से denote करेंगे. Now we have to find out C11, C12, C21, C22. Okay, ठीक है. So what is the value of, what will be the value of C11? So this is M11, C11 ना, तो first of all we'll take minus 1 का power 1 plus 1. Okay, and we'll write the value of this minor 7. Now again minus 1 का power 1 2, so 1 plus 2 and we'll write the value of this minus 1. Okay, again 2 plus 1, so minus 1 का power 2 plus 1 and this is 4, so we'll write here 4. Now 2 2, so minus 1 का power 2 plus 2 and we'll write 2. Okay, now we'll find out the cofactor, the value of cofactor. C11, C12, C21, C22. Okay, so this will be 1 plus 1 2, मतलब this will be positive value, so 7 1 plus 2, this is ये minus हो जाएगा ना, so minus into minus plus. Now minus 1 का power 2 plus 1, that is minus, so minus 4. Okay, and minus 1 का power 2 plus 2 मतलब 4, positive value 2. Okay, so now we'll write here cofactor का matrix. Okay, so what is adjoint? Now we'll write directly. Adjoint of a matrix A will be, adjoint of matrix A का वैल्यू क्या होगा? C11 का वैल्यू क्या है? C11, C12, C21, C22 हम लिखेंगे 7 1 -4 and 2 हमने लिखा, and we'll take the transpose of this matrix. Cofactor का जो भी matrix we are getting ना, that matrix का transpose will be the adjoint of that matrix A. Okay, so adjoint will be 7 1. So transpose कैसे लिखते हैं? We'll read out row wise and write column wise. Okay, -4 and 2, -4 and 2. So this will be the adjoint of matrix A. Okay, now you know the formula how to find out the inverse. Inverse क्या होता है? A inverse will be equal to 1 upon value of determinant into adjoint of A. Okay, so if we have to find out the inverse of A, what we need now? Matrix determinant of A we need ना. So determinant क्या होगा? 2 into 7 minus -1 into 4 minus -1 into 4. So it will be 14 minus plus 4. क्या होगा? 18. Okay, so what will be the value of A inverse? A inverse will be equal to 1 upon 18 and adjoint of A. मतलब 7 1 minus 4 and 2. So this way we can find out the inverse of. This is very simple method. Okay, it will not take much time. Just you need to understand what is minor and how to find out minor and how to find out cofactors. Okay, so once you find out, just write down. I'm repeating this sum again. This is very simple sum. So to make you understand better, I've taken 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so 2, 4, -1 and 7. So 2, 4, -1 and 7. These are the elements given. Okay, now you have to find out the minors. So 1 1 will be, just keep this this row and this column. Okay, and what is left behind, that is 7. Similarly you have to write the. Okay, so जो भी element is written here ना, 4, जैसे 4 है तो उस 4 के रो को एंड कॉलम को you have to leave, and what is rest जो भी बचा ना, that you have to write here, that will be minor. Okay, now cofactor क्या होता है? Just minor में you have to put the sign, positive, negative, whatever is there, you have to put the sign, then it will be cofactor. Like 1 1 is given, so 1 plus 1, -1 का पावर 1 plus 1 होगा, and that the same value you have to write with the sign, positive or negative with sign, you have to write the same value, that will be cofactor. Now what is the adjoint? Adjoint is the transpose of cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix मतलब C1, एक matrix will be there जिसकी values will be cofactor की values, right? 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. So 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. This value will write, and we will find out the transpose of that matrix, and the transpose of that matrix will get adjoint of that particular matrix, that is A. Okay, once we got the adjoint of the matrix, we can easily find out the inverse of that matrix, because inverse का formula क्या होता है? Because A inverse is equal to 1 upon the determinant of A into adjoint of A. So we found out the adjoint, so we can find out this one, determinant A. We got 18, so 1 upon 18 into this matrix will be the inverse of A. Okay, one more sum we'll do. Here we have to find out the inverse of the matrix A. Okay, so first of all, what we have to find out? Inverse of matrix A. So first of all, we'll find out the determinant. Determinant of A will be equal to this 2 minus 2, 4 and 3. Okay, so 2 into 3 क्या होगा? 6 minus 4 into -2 -8. Okay, so 6 plus 8, that is 14. ठीक है, now we'll find out the adjoint. For that, first A11 2 A12 -2 A21 4 A22, that is 3. Now we have to find out the minor, M11 M12 M21 M22. Okay, so what is M11? We'll just hide this first row and first column. So what is left? 3. Now M12 matlab this one, we'll hide this first row and second column. What is left? 4. Okay, there is simple trick. Whenever you are asked for 1 1 m11, directly इसको just उसके जो diagonally opposite है, just take that number. So whenever 1 1 is 2 na, so diagonally opposite number, that is 3. When asked for -2, diagonally opposite, that is 4. Similarly for 2 1, this one 4 के लिए diagonal opposite, that is -2, and 3 के लिए diagonally opposite, that is 2. Okay, now you have to find out the cofactors C11, C12, C21, C22. Again, -1 का पार 1 plus 1, -1 का पार 1 plus 2, -1 to the power 2 plus 1, -1 to the power 2 plus 2. Okay, now we'll write this as it is 3, 4, -2 and 2. ठीक है, so 1 plus 1 क्या होगा, it will be 3, and ये माइनस होगा -4, this is already minus ना, तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा 2, and this will be same. Now we have to find out the cofactor adjoint first. Adjoint of A, that is the cofactor का transpose. Okay, so cofactor का transpose मतलब C11, C12, C21 and C22 का transpose. Okay, so directly we'll write the values. Okay, C11, C12, C21, C22. Okay, now we'll put the values 1 1 3, 1 2 -4, 2 1 is 2, and this is 2. Okay, so this is adjoint of matrix A. Now we have to find out the inverse. A inverse will be equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, so adjoint of A. So determinant of A, 1 upon determinant of A. Determinant का value क्या है 14. So 14 into adjoint of A. Adjoint का value 3 into -4, 2, 2. Okay, so this is the value, okay, of inverse. So this is the inverse of matrix A, 1 upon 14 into 3, 2, -4, 2. Okay, this is the inverse of the matrix A. One another question, this A is given. Okay, this matrix A is given, and what you have to find out, we have to find out the adjoint of A. Okay, what will the value of this one? Okay, so first of all, what we will write, A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, what are the values? A11 is 2. The value of A11 is 2. A12 -3, A21 4, and A22 -6. ठीक है, now we have to find out the minors. Okay, minor A1, M11, M12, M21, M22. Okay, so M11 क्या होगा, 2 को हम will hide this row and this column. 2 is 1 1, so first row and first column will hide. What is left behind, that is -6. Okay, now again for M12 we need to hide this -3, and with the row of this one, this is 1 2 now, so first row and second column, so we'll hide the whole first row and whole second column. Okay, we'll hide the row and column in which -3 is there. Okay, so what we are getting, we'll get 4. Similarly, M21, that is 4, will hide 2 and 1, second row and first column will hide. Okay, what we are getting, we'll get -3. Now we'll M22, so last one, that is -6. So when we are -6 is here, so this is 2 2, second row and second column will hide. What is left behind, that is 2. Okay, now we'll write the cofactors C12, C21 and C22. Okay, what we have to write, we have to just put the sign. So minus का पावर 1 plus 1, that is 2, तो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू होगा. So minus 1 plus 1 2 into -6, -1 का वैल्यू 1 + 2 3 into 4. Now -1 का वैल्यू 2 + 1 3 and into -3. -1 का पावर 2 + 2 4 into 2. So what we'll get? This is positive. Okay, so -6, because this is positive, -6 as it is will write, but here it will be minus, so it will change the sign of this, that is 4. So -4. Now -1 into -3, that will be 3, and again it will remain same because -1 ka power 4 will be plus. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to write the adjoint. So सबसे पहले कोफैक्टर के मैट्रिक्स को हम लिखते हैं. तो क्या होगा, C11 C12 C21 C22. ओके, इसके ट्रांसपोज को ही हम एडजॉइंट बोलते हैं, राइट. एडजॉइंट ऑफ A विल बी इक्वल टू दिस वन. नाउ सो ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा, C11 C21 C12 C22. ओके, होगा. ओके, now we'll read 1 1 1 2, we'll write like this 1 1 1 2. So we'll write the value of this one. C11 is -6, C21 is 3, C12 is -4, and C22 is 2. Okay, so this is the value of adjoint of A. Okay, adjoint of matrix A. Got it? So till now we have done 2 by 2 matrix. Now we'll take 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so 3 cross 3 matrix के लिए we'll find out A inverse. Okay, so first of all we'll find A determinant of A. Okay, determinant of A के लिए what we'll do? Okay, we'll write determinant ना, हम यहाँ find out करते हैं. So determinant of A के लिए first of all we'll take this number. So 2. Okay, 2 into this matrix, this row and this column हम छोड़ देंगे. Okay, this row and this column. So what is left behind? 2 -1 -1 and 2. Okay, now okay, so 2 is what? 2 is minor ना. 2 is क्या है, minor है कि कोफैक्टर है? This is element. 2 is A11. Okay, so उसके लिए जो minor होगा, that is okay, side by side हम minus भी लिख सकते हैं, right? So A11 is 2. Okay, so M11 क्या होगा? This one, because M11 is this row and this column को छोड़ के what is left behind is M11. So 2 -1 -1 2. Okay, now M12 okay, M12 हम लेंगे. Okay. Now M12 is so minus into -1, minus into -1, and then will this row and this column will leave. What is left behind? This 2, these 2 and these 2. Okay, so -1 1 -1 2. Okay, so this is the minor of, this will be the minor of 1 2, because this number -1 is 1 2 है. ठीक है, so we'll write here -1 -1 1 2. Now the third one, 1 plus 1 लिया, and when we are just we'll take this away, first row and first last column. So what is left behind? These values. Okay, -1 1 2 -1 -1 1 2 -1. Okay, okay, now determinant will find out. Determinant का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 2 into 2 to 4 and minus minus plus and minus. So minus this into this. Okay, so -1 and minus minus plus 1. Now -1 into 2 -2 and minus minus plus 1 plus 1 into minus minus 1 this 2. Okay, so 3 into 2 6 -1 -1. Okay, the 4, value 4 we got. Okay, now we'll rough this and we'll write here a determinant of a ka value is 4. Okay, now M13 का वैल्यू क्या होगा? M13 का वैल्यू -1 1 2 -1. ठीक है. Okay, so we'll write here M11 का वैल्यू is, directly we'll write cofactor का वैल्यू. हाँ, okay, minus का वैल्यू will write. Okay, minus का वैल्यू M11 will be 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4 minus, see, 2 into 2 4 minus 1 into -1 plus 1. Okay, so that is 3. So value is 3. Now M12 का वैल्यू 2 into -1 -2 and 1 in, minus 1 into -1 -1. तो ये क्या होगा? -2 plus 1. क्या होगा? -2 plus 1 -1. Okay, now the third one, 1 in -1 into -1 plus 1 -2 -1. Okay, so M212 का वैल्यू is -1, M13 का वैल्यू is -1. Okay, now we'll find out the value of minus M21, M22, M23, M21, M22, M23. Okay, so when 21 मतलब इसको अगर हमने we have taken this, तो first row and second column, first column and second row, मतलब second row and first column 2 1 we have taken. So what is left behind? These two and these two. Okay, -1 1 -1 2. Okay, now 2 2 इसको हटा देंगे तो क्या बचेगा हमारे पास? When second row and second column, so 2 1 1 2, 2 1 1 2. Okay, now third one, 2 3, second row third column will leave. So what is left behind? These two and these two. 2 -1 1 -1. Okay, so minus we have to find out. कैसे? जो भी माइनस हमें फाइंड आउट करना है उसे हम will remove that the particular row, जो भी नंबर है the element जो है उसके माइनस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए we have to remove the whole column and whole row. So what is left behind will be the minor. So here this is 3 by 3, 3 by 3, I mean 3 cross 3 matrix. So here we have to remove, when we are removing one row and one column, we are getting 2 by 2 matrix. So we have to find out the determinant of that matrix, that will be the minor. Okay, so we'll find out the value. -2 into 1 -2, sorry, 2 into -1 -2, -1 into 1 -1, so -1. Now 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1, 2 into -1 -2, and 1 into -1 -1. Okay, so -2 plus 1 -1, 3 -2 plus 1 -1. Okay, so M21 is -1, M22 is 3, and M23 is -1. Okay, now we'll find out the value for third row. Okay, so minus for third row. Okay, so we'll just remove these. Okay, now M31, M32, M33. So for 3 1, for this one we'll remove the whole column and whole row. What is left behind? -1 2 1 -1. Okay, now 3 2, this one is a, when we'll remove the whole column, third row and second column, what we are getting? These two and these two. Okay, minus 1, 1 minus 1. Okay. Now when we'll remove the whole row and column of 3, 2, this one, this row and this column, when we'll remove, what we are getting? We'll get this one. Okay. So 2 minus 1 minus 1, 2. 1 into 1, I'm sorry, minus 1 into minus 1, 1 minus 2. This one. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Now 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 into minus 1, 3. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, minus 1. Okay. So M31 will be minus 1, M32 minus 1, M33 3. Okay. So we got minors. Now we have to find out cofactors. Okay. So cofactors C11, adjoint of matrix क्या होता है? C11 of A will be C11, C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. Okay. So here what 1 plus 1 is? 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. And C11 मतलब M11 का value is 3. Okay. M12 is minus 1. So C12 will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3, minus 1. Okay. C13 will be minus 1 का power 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Okay. Now 21 का value, M21 minus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. इसको हम directly 4 लिख देते. Okay. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 21 का value is minus 1. Now 2, 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and M22 is 3. Okay. Now 2, 3 का value, minus 1 का power 5. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2, 3 is minus 1. Now 3, 1. So minus 1 का power 3 plus 1 is 4 and this is minus 1. Now 3, 2. Minus 1 का power 3 plus 2 is 5 and M32 is minus 1. Now 3, 3. Minus 1 का power 3 plus 3 is 6 and 3, 3 is 3. Okay. So now we'll write the values. Minus 1 का power 2 is plus 1. So it will be 3. Now this one will be this will be minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. This is minus 1 का power, ये minus 1 होगा. Okay. So this will be minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 4. 3 हुआ. Minus 1 का 5, power 5, मतलब minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Now this one, okay, we'll write it like this. Okay. Now minus 1 का power 4 plus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 का power 5, that will be minus 1 and into minus 1, 1. Minus 1 का power 6. So that will be, yes, plus 1 and then 3. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll remove this. ये values हम हटा देते हैं. So what is left behind will be the cofactor का जो matrix है, that is left behind. So अब transpose हटाने के लिए we can write like this. Adjoint of A का matrix क्या होगा? 3, 1, minus 1. 3, 1, minus 1. 1, 3, 1, 1, 3 1 minus 1 1 3 minus 1 1 3. Okay, now we'll write the inverse. क्या होगा inverse? Inverse of the matrix A will be, A inverse का value will be 1 upon the value of determinant, so 1 upon 4 into this matrix adjoint of A. So that is 3 1 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 1 1 and 3. Okay, ठीक है. So we can write like this also. इसको we'll multiply by this. So 3 upon 4 directly we can write, but this is simplest. So this will be the value of A inverse. Okay, we got 3 by 3 matrix we have taken, and it is it will take so much space because you have to find out minus ka value, and for that you have to find out the determinant, the value of determinant of 2 cross 2 matrices. Okay, find out minus M11 क्या होगा? M11 will be this matrix minus 2 1 1 1. Okay, M12 this one, this minus 1 minus 2 1 1. M13 this one. So this matrix, I mean these 4 elements, 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1. Okay, now M21 this element, so this row, this column and this row, 8 7 1 1 8 7 1 1. Okay, now M22 this second row, second column will remove 5 7 minus 2 1 5 7 minus 2 and 1. Okay, so we'll find out the values and then we'll move forward. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2. So minus 2 will be plus 2. Okay, now minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So minus plus 4. Okay, 8 into 1 is 8 into 1 will be 8 and minus 7. 5 into 1 5 minus plus 7 into 2 14 minus 3. It's not working properly. This marker is not working. Minus 3 1 minus 5 1 5 plus 14 will be 19 2 3. So M23. Okay, so M23 means this value. So second row and third column will remove. What is left behind? 5 8 minus 2 1. So 5 8 minus 2 1. Okay, now M31 32 and 33. M31 M32 M33. Okay, so M31 matlab this one. So when we'll hide third row and first column, what is left behind? 8 7 minus 2 1. 8 7 minus 2 and 1. Okay, now 3 2 this one, मतलब third row second column. तो 5 minus 1 7 1, 5 minus 1 7 1. Okay, now 3 3. So when we'll remove this third row third column, we'll hide what is left behind, this. Okay, so we'll write here 5 8 5 8 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so we'll find out the value. 5 into 1 is 5, minus minus plus 2 into 8 16. Now 8 into 1 8, minus 2 into 7 minus 14. So minus minus plus 14. Okay, now 5 into 1 5, minus minus plus 7. Okay, now minus 10, 5 into minus 2 minus 10, and minus minus plus 8. Okay, so 16 plus 5 21, 8 plus 14 क्या होगा 22. Okay, and 5 plus 7 12, minus 10 plus 8 minus 2. Okay, so now we have to find out the value of whatever the values are there na, what plus minus plus minus plus minus, so plus minus plus. Okay, we'll write here and we'll write the value of minus directly. Okay, minus plus minus and plus minus plus. Okay, so what are the values? Minus 3 1 minus 5 minus 3. So minus 3 into plus minus 3 1 minus 1 minus 5, so minus 5. Okay, now minus है तो minus into 1 minus 1 plus 19. Okay, 2 मतलब 19, and then next is minus, so minus 21. Okay, now 3 1 is 22, so plus 22 मतलब 22, minus 12 and minus 2, so plus into minus 2 will be minus 2. So this is the matrix of cofactors. So cofactors we got. Now we have to find out the cofactors ना. Yeah, we have to find out cofactors. Adjoint हमें find out नहीं करना है. So this will be the resultant matrix. Okay. Now the fourth question, find the adjoint of the following matrices. तो following matrices के adjoints find out करने, तो first of all similar way से you have to find out the minus, then by putting the sign according to the place of the element, and you have to find out the cofactors plus minus डाल के you have to find out cofactors, and cofactor matrix जो होगा उसका transpose find out करेंगे, and then you will get the adjoint of that matrix, given matrix. Okay, so matrix A is given and A inverse you have to find out. So first of all you have to find out the determinant of the matrix. Determinant of the matrix will be 3 minus 1 2 minus 1. Okay, so 3 into minus 1 minus 3 and 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 होगा आंसर. ठीक है, now what you have to do, you have to find out the minus m11 m12 m21 m22. So m11 will be when we'll one first column first row will hide what we are what is left behind, minus 1. So first row second column, first row and second column is hidden, so what is left behind 2. मतलब 1 2 is this value ना element, उसका just diagonally opposite will be, in case of 2 cross 2 diagonally opposite element लेना है. तो 2 1 मतलब this value diagonally opposite is minus 1, for this value diagonally opposite is 3. Now we have to find out the cofactors C11 C12 C21 and C22. Now plus minus minus plus. So plus minus minus plus value we will write, and the same value will write minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 3. So कोफैक्टर का जो मैट्रिक्स होगा, एडजॉइंट का वैल्यू क्या होता है? एडजॉइंट विल बी इक्वल टू, adjoint of A will be equal to this matrix, cofactors के matrix का transpose. So minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 3, transpose of this matrix क्या होगा? Minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 3. Now we have to find out the inverse. A inverse का value will be 1 upon minus 1. Okay, 1 upon minus 1. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? That is minus 1 ना. So minus 1, 1, minus 2, 3. Okay. Now minus 1 से multiply कर देंगे. Okay. So it will be, the resultant matrix will be 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 3. So this will be the inverse of this matrix, will be the inverse of this A. Okay. So we have a matrix A given, and this is 3 cross 3 matrix, and we have to find out the inverse of the matrix A. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll find out the determinant, the value of determinant. Okay. So determinant value निकालने से पहले we'll find out the minors. Okay. किसी भी because for determinant what we are doing, we any one row we are taking and उसके जो भी minors होते हैं, we are just multiplying that minus with the number, and we are getting the value of determinant. So first of all, we'll find out the minus for all 9. So M11 will be 1 को first row first column will remove. What we are getting? 2, 0, 4, 5. Okay. M12. This first row and second column. So what we are getting? 0, 0, 4, 5. Now first 1, 3, first row and third column, first row and third column. So what we are getting? 0, 0, 2, 0. Okay. M21, M21 second row first column. So what we are getting? 2, 3, 0, 5, 2, 3, 0, 5. Now M22, we have to hide the first second row second column. So what we will get? 1, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 0, 5. Now M23, M23 के लिए मतलब second row and third column we have to hide. So what values we are getting? Second row third column, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0. Okay. So now we'll write the values. 2 into 5, 10, minus 0. Okay. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 into 2, 10, minus 0, 10, 5 minus 0, 5. Okay. Now 0 into 0, 0. See in this now 1, 2, this value, first row and second column. Okay, 4, 5 we are getting. So in this value 2, 2, this row and this column 1. Okay. Okay, and 2, 2. Now M31, M32, M33. So M31 first, third row, first column will hide. So what values are left? 2, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, third row, second column. So we'll get 1, 0, 3, 4. 1, 0, 3, 4. Okay. Now third row, third column, when we'll hide na, we'll get 1, 2, 0, 2. 1, 2, 0, 2. So what values we'll get? 4 into 2, 8, minus 6. So 8 minus 6 will be 2. 4 in minus 0, so 4. Now 2 minus 0, 2. Okay. So first of all we'll write the minus का value. Minus का पूरा column. Okay. So क्या है? 10 0 0. 10 0 0. 10 5 0. 10 5 0. Okay. 2 4 2. 2 4 2. Okay. And since we know that 1 1 1 plus 1 positive होगा, so cofactors का लिखने के लिए we have to just put the sign. We'll put the sign and it will become the cofactors का क्या? Cofactors का matrix. Okay. So minus का value we have written. We know plus minus plus. So plus minus plus. So plus minus plus. Minus plus minus. Plus minus plus. ठीक है. So cofactors का value क्या होगा? Now we have to find out the cofactors का table. Sorry, matrix of cofactors. वो क्या होगा? And adjoint value will be, adjoint of A will be equal to, this is cofactor, and transpose of this 10 0 0. Minus 10 5 0. Minus 10 5 0. 2 minus 4 2. 2 minus 4 2. Okay. Now what we have to do, हम लेते हैं, we'll take one, we'll find the determinant of the value, determinant of the this determinant of A क्या होगा? 1 into M11, 2405 minus 2 into M12, 0045. Okay, and 3 into plus 3 into 13, 0020. Okay. Now 1 into 10 will be, इसका value 10 है ना, so 1 into 10, इसका value 0 0, so minus 2 into 0 and plus 3 into 0. Okay, so it will be 10 minus 0 plus 0, so 10. Okay, so determinant का value is 10. So we have to find out the inverse of a matrix. Since we know the value of inverse का क्या आता है, 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, so A inverse will be equal to, determinant का value is 10, so 1 upon 10, and adjoint का value is 10 0 0 minus 10 5 0, 2 minus 4 2. Okay, 10 divided by 10 1, 1 0 0 minus 1, 1 upon 2 0, and 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. This will be the value, A inverse का value. Okay, I hope you understood the concept, the sums, and for any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.